Good morning. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. We are heating up the car. We are heating up the car right now because today is a little chilly. The weather is back and forth. It will be warm, it will be cold. Today is a cold day. It's the black sugar milk tea. You know, I'm not drinking milk tea.
In a can though. It's so good actually.
It smells good. It smells like the ice cream.
It tastes good. They have so many options, like so many drinks I can get.
Yeah. But your mom is coming next Tuesday and it's going to be cold.
Oh, you gotta tell her that.
Yeah, tell her that. Yeah, I checked the weather this morning. It's going to be cold when she arrives.
What is it?
Night is at 40s.
Oh shit.
During the day is 61. So that's cold for your mom.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, his mom is coming next week. She'll be here with Alexander while me, my mom, and Eric are making our road trip to Florida. And she'll be here when I come back. Today, we're taking little Newman. Mr. Old Man, where is he? Oh, here he is. He made himself comfortable. Oh, are you shivering? Oh, it's okay, buddy. Taking him to Petco to get groomed because we have a free one. And luckily, Alexander checked the app and booked the appointment because his free grooming would have been expired on the 25th. So we're gonna drop him off in the morning, but first things first, I want to go swing by Starbucks and get their new drink, their lavender oat milk matcha. I've had it before last week and it was really good. It tastes like Fruit Loops. Let me know what you guys think about it, if you guys like it or not, but I honestly think it tastes like Fruit Loops and it's pretty good. So I want that for breakfast, and then we're gonna go again run some errands. I have to go pick up my necklace at the mall because the end of the necklace broke. Yeah, I have a lifetime warranty thanks to him. So if it breaks, I can always get it fixed for free.
But so far we fixed it twice.
Yeah, the first time Menace broke it when he jumped on me, and then the second time it's just, I guess, with time and wear, it cracked. And so I need to get that fixed, and it's all fixed. It's actually been done a few days ago, but I wanted to wait until today to go because we're going up to that area anyway, so there's no point of like driving back and forth all the time. Beautiful sunny day. I took a nice shower this morning. My hair feels clean. I'm going barefaced. They are out of the lavender, but that's okay. I still got an iced matcha with oat milk and with vanilla cream cold foam. You don't look so happy, Newman.
Hey, bud. We're giving you away forever. No, buddy.
Just for a few hours.
For him, it's forever.
He's gonna look so nice and clean for Babushka when she comes. Right? Do we give him a little pup cup? Oh, look at this delicious pup cup, Newman. Are you gonna be able to finish this? Let me get you down here. You don't want it?
What?
Here, Newman.
Does he want it?
Nope.
What? What? That's weird.
Maybe because you're driving?
Yeah,
I don't know.
Save it for now. We'll try to give it to
Okay,
him.
we'll save this for you later, okay, Newman? Cheers.
I feel like you should have got a small because I don't know if you'll finish this one.
I asked you if I should get a large.
But I said large for lavender, not for this one.
It's the same thing. It's a matcha.
That one.
At the mall now, heading to Hellsberg to pick up my necklace. Alexander's at the Capital One Cafe. So I'm gonna pick up my necklace and join him there. Got my necklace. This is a necklace Alexander gifted me on our 3-year anniversary. But yeah,
Damn, 3
it's
years?
all. Yeah, I know. This year will be 8 years.
I gotta get you something big.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
They just fixed the little chain, the little part where you lock it. But yeah, we're just at the Capital One Cafe.
Bank. It's actually kind
Capital
of cool.
One Cafe Bank. You already deposit your check?
Yeah.
Nice. We are leaving the mall now. We just walked around for a bit, and Alexander got a screen protector from Samsung. and installed the screen protector. It was 2 for $20, and then they apply it for free. It's a courtesy. So that's nice. Yeah, he has 2 phones, one for work and one for personal. Now we're gonna go get lunch at our one and only favorite sushi restaurant here
in Dallas,
Sushi Damu.
It's probably one of my
It's just 5 minutes down the street, so it's convenient. And he didn't feel like eating anything at the food court here. He wants to be a little bougie today. Hey, buddy. Hey, yeah. I have so much fur on my legs right now. Yeah, it's such a beautiful day today. We're gonna head back home and walk the doggies, the big dogs. Newman's gonna stay back, right?
Yeah, he needs to eat, yeah.
Yeah, he needs to eat his lunch. Hey guys, it is now the next day. Me and Alexander are gonna head out for a bit again. We need to go to Walmart to pick up some drainage fluid for the sink and pick up my mom's medication. So we're gonna do that. I need to clean my makeup brushes today. I finally bought a new baby shampoo on Amazon and it came in late last night. This is like the only way I clean my makeup brushes. I've been doing it like this for many years since I started doing makeup. I remember Googling years ago how to clean makeup brushes or what kind of soaps to use, and they recommend baby shampoo because it's sensitive. You're putting these brushes on your face. So I don't use like hand soap or anything like that. I use baby shampoo. These are all the brushes that I need to clean, and then I also clean my mom's brushes. She only has like 4. So I'm gonna do that today when we come back. Just another chill day. Hey Mika, you're so sweet. You're a sweet boy. Who is that handsome boy in the mirror? Is that you, Mika? Is that the handsome boy in the mirror? Yeah. You're so pretty. It's gonna be a chill day. But first, let's hit the road for a little bit and I'll be back. Let's get these brushes cleaned. Another beautiful day back to back. I am loving this weather. I thought it was going to be cloudy today, but it's not. So we're taking little Newman out for a walk. Since yesterday we walked the big dogs, today it's his turn. Look at him, he's so happy. Menace was a little jealous. He was screaming in there. I feel bad, but they'll get their turn. Oh, it's so pretty. The birds are chirping, clear blue skies, the sun is beaming down, nice breeze. If only the weather was like this every single day. Every day. It would be paradise. My brother called Newman French toast after his grooming. He just looks like a loaf of bread.
That's fit.
It's so cute. Right, Newman! Go, go, go! It is now the next day. Honestly, after yesterday's clip, after walking Newman, I just took a 2-hour nap, and the rest of the day we've just been bumming in bed. The last couple of days have been extremely chill and laid back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here and start a new one in a couple of days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a very short one and a very chill one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it regardless. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!